This is our first project. Hi everybody, welcome to Green Lab Tribe, your green energy channel. We made our first project. It is simple, small, but really useful to explain what energy conversion is. This is our green energy box. The green energy box is just a box with an alternator or generator inside. It is useful because it transforms movement into electricity. And this is the most useful way to transform energy. It is used in wind power, nuclear power, hydroelectric. So let's see what we have inside this box. This is our green energy box and how it looks inside. Here we have our alternator, of course. If you see, it's really simple. We have one direct current exit, as you can see, positive, negative and positive. And we also have an alternator current exit, but we're not going to use it right now, just in case we need it. And we have just a light in here to see if this, to test if this alternator is working. And it has a little button, you know, when we spin this, nothing happens. When we push the little button there, then we have some light. So this is how it works, how our green energy box works. It is really simple, but it's going to be really useful for us and to explain a lot of things and to generate some green energy. The electric generator transforms rotational movement into electricity using the principle of electromagnetic induction. This principle tells us that when an electric conductor like a copper wire crosses a magnetic field created by a magnet, electric current is generated in the conductor. So every time the wire spins inside the magnetic field, electricity is produced. Here we have a miniature generator, electric generator. As you can see, when we spin this axis in here, there's some light in here. So what we have inside is just some wire, copper wire. This is the conductive material, and we have a magnet in here, this black thing in here that generates the magnetic field. So when we put this together and we spin, we generate some electricity. Now we're going to test our generator, our green energy box. As you can see, we have no load connected to the alternator, so it's really free. It's going to spin free. And when we spin this thing, we can reach until well, almost 17, 18 volts. When we connect our light in here, we have one load, and this is it. And when we do this, now it's more difficult to spin this handle, and the voltage is not as high as we did it the first time. This is because we have this load. Well, we saw that this works in here in the table, but we want to make a field test, but not in a conventional way. This is the pulley that we're going to use and the string that we attach to a completely non-conventional energy source, a runner. Just to show you that clean energy sources are everywhere. So let's see the tests. Well, we have built and tested our green energy box, and now we can keep searching for applications of this thing. For the moment, it's the end of the video. Push the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. This is David, and we will see you in the next episode of Green Lab Tribe, your green energy channel.